Good morning, guys. Good morning, happy Wednesday, happy hump day. Ooh, what a reaction we had here on the market. What a reaction. How you guys doing? Morning. Buenos dias. Buenos dias. What a reaction. I was not expecting this. I guess we gotta watch and see how 500 is gonna react today on the Q. 588 again on SPY, and then 584 and 586. We'll see. We'll see. My intro music? No, why? What's going on? UPS. Okay, so I'm gonna be taking more profits here on UPS on the Novembers. I'm still holding about some runners for December. What's going on? Why everything's pulling down so hard? Okay. Yeah, I was expecting a kind of choppy market today and yesterday because of Nvidia earnings. Whoa. I want to see CRM holding yesterday high, which is what it is right now, 323. Yeah, I used to have intro music on the stream, but I took it off because it was too loud compared to the volume. And also the intro that I had, the banners that I had in my goodbye pretty much my goodbye, I had like a slide at the end. I lost all that, plus I lost the past 3 months of streams videos because my hard drive is not working. Another ugly 230 rejections on Apple. That level is just... Apple cannot break that level. It just keeps rejecting. Okay, SPY is right at 588. Let's see if we can hold that. Intel is going for the gap below. Yeah, it sucks. Thank God I didn't had my video course there on that hard drive, because I will be crying. That's like 10 videos or very good tutorials, info explaining how I trade. So happy that I'm only grateful that I didn't have my video course there saved, because I put so much work into that I would be crying if I lost that info. Okay, I like this hold here on SPY. 588 hold is looking solid so far. Gonna go long here on this 588 level. I like it. My stop loss is gonna be if we lose this low. I'm looking for a possible move to the VWAP. Nvidia is also holding 144. Microsoft is not looking, it's looking weak. Same thing with Meta, same thing with Apple. Nvidia is the only one that I see that is holding a key level right now. And 500 will be a key level for the Q. Looks like it's gonna stop me out, but we'll see. Okay, I like that reaction there. It's fighting there. It's fighting there. I think we need Microsoft, Apple bouncing, or at least holding better. Apple is trying to hold today's low. Okay, UPS is right at 132. Okay, I like that bounce. CRM, I like that it's holding yesterday high as support. That's pretty bullish. Ooh, PayPal. If PayPal can hold the VWAP, I'm gonna go long there. I like that chart. I just got alert. Hey, alert on my PayPal chart. Let's see if it's gonna stop me out. It looks like it's going to. It's definitely looking weak. Oh, I like that bounce. Not looking too strong, but it's still holding. Another 144 bounce on Nvidia. Apple is still fighting today's low, morning low, 228. The Q near 500. Apple losing today's low. Most likely it's gonna stop me out of this trade. We'll see. Nvidia still holding 144. Okay, I got off. Apple is crazy weak. Okay, let's see how the Q is gonna react to 500. 500, but tech stocks are very weak. Apple, Microsoft, Meta, Nvidia, all four very weak. Nvidia 144. Still trying to hold here. Do we see a 488 rejection here on SPY? Or is it gonna go back above it? CRM lost yesterday high. PayPal is trying to hold, but it's still not above the VWAP. If he holds the VWAP strongly, I'm gonna go long there. Probably for a swing trade, for looking for a move to 88 the next weeks. The next coming weeks. Okay, looks like now SPY is rejecting 588. The thing is like I like this reaction. The thing is like I don't see SPY wanting to go lower. Like I don't know, it's kind of fighting this downtrend. It's like moving very, very slow. That was perfect reaction there. Anyone got that reaction on SPY? 588 reaction? The Q reaction, nice. That rejection was so clean. Let's see what IWM is doing. Oh, just rejected yesterday high. Most likely it's gonna go back to 227. To yesterday's low, which was the level we traded yesterday. Ooh. I don't think anything happened. I think it's just a pullback because of Nvidia earnings today. But still, I think it was weird, the move that we have yesterday. I was surprised by that and not surprised by this. I'm not too surprised by this move. I'm surprised by yesterday's big move to the upside. Oh, Russia? What happened? Damn, that's a big move. That's a big move. Nvidia is still trying to hold 144. Microsoft is still very weak. Apple is still very weak. And that was such a clean 230 rejection again on Apple. Coin, that was beautiful 330 rejection. Amazon at 200 again. Yeah, looks like Target, but really bad earnings, but I do not play Target. I hate trading Target. Target, Costco, Roblox, BA, those 4 charts, those 4 stocks are in my do not trade list. I don't know why I didn't get into this rejection. I would have been green now. Are we gonna feel the gap that we have below here? This big gap? 584 is the big one, the big level to watch out. In fact, I don't think this one is too important. I think 584 is the big one. It's either we bounce there or we go even lower and we go for this big gap. Morning. Let's see what Tesla is doing. I'm pulling back. I really want to see Tesla pulling down to 330, 320. That will be perfect for me because I'm looking to enter around that level for longs. If Tesla can close the day today at 330, 320, between 330 320, that will be perfect because that way we have earnings, Nvidia earnings after hours, and then we can trade Tesla tomorrow. And around 596 will be the next big support for the Q. But every single stock trade is very, very weak. Especially Microsoft. I don't know what's going on with Microsoft. It's been extremely choppy for almost like 3 weeks. Yeah, very, very choppy the past few weeks. Same thing with Meta. Meta, it's been extremely choppy also. Anyone got into the meme nice guy? I saw so many people talking about it on Twitter. I thought it was funny. I saw this guy put in like 5K and he make back over 200K, which is insane. I think I need to get more active on those meme coins. But because I don't really pay attention. Yeah, the chill guy, that one. I don't really pay attention to Bitcoin. I only buy and hold, buy and hold. I did bought a bunch of stuff related to Trump before the elections, but because that was a no-brainer. But I don't know how they do it with those meme coins, that weird meme coins. That where do they got the chill guy? The chill guy, and there was another one that I don't remember. Huzz or something like that. Oh, TikTok? Oh, okay. That's maybe why I don't use TikTok. Maybe I'm getting old because I don't use TikTok. I only have IG and I don't really use it much. Well, I do use it, but only with my I only have like close friends and family. I don't use it for anything related to trading. So pretty much the market just giving back the entire yesterday's move. Okay, we're moving lower. 584 will be the next level to watch out here on SPY. Under 584, we have this big gap. This is a big watch for me. It's either we're gonna bounce hard here because we can see it yesterday. That's what happened. Same thing on Friday. SPY bounced pretty hard out of the 584 level, or if SPY loses 584, that's the gap to play. Looks like we're slowing down a little bit. We have Meta, Microsoft, and Nvidia trying to hold. Amazon is right at the 200 level. If we see the market turning around, that could be a good entry. Come on, SPY, go a little bit lower here. Give me 584. Mentoring program starts in 2 weeks. I can't wait. So excited. I can't wait to meet you guys in person. Well, not in person, in video calls. I love doing that. It's a lot of work. It's super tiring, but I love doing it. Big short. We'll see. If he loses 584, yes, we could go for the gap. Although SPY is a little bit tricky with gaps. Not always fills the entire gaps. The Q, it's way more. It's way easier because I haven't seen the Q not filling the gaps, while SPY, it can fake you out, go inside the gap, and then bounce. But we'll see. I'm watching 584 for either a strong bounce play, like yesterday, or yeah, playing a little bit of the gap. Yes, we could definitely play a bounce at 584, but we need to pay attention to what individual stocks are doing. So it depends how I see Apple, Microsoft, Meta, and Nvidia. I think the safest play, if you want to play the upside, will be a break of the VWAP at 588 again on SPY. I don't think Apple is chopping. I think Apple was very clean again. 230 rejection. It's been doing exactly the same thing for 3 days. So I don't see Apple chopping. I think Apple was very clean. You have a very clean rejection of 230 and then just kept going lower and lower. Now everything's been very slow. I like the 200 hold on Amazon. I think it's the one that I like the most right now. But we'll see. IWM, what's IWM doing? We need context. It's not doing it much, honestly. IWM, I don't see it much there. Clean rejection of the VWAP, but it's not doing much. If you see the daily, it's just keeping it as an inside candle, small inside candle. Again, Nvidia at 144. CRM really fighting yesterday high, which is I like that. I want to see that. In fact, if the market change around, I like IWM if can break the VWAP, because the downside on IWM is definitely way smaller than SPY and the Q. Nice bounce here. I'm watching this IWM possible VWAP hold. Let's see. If he holds the VWAP, I think I'm gonna take longs here. Let's see if we can have a bounce till morning high. I don't trade SPY. I trade ES. Unless I'm looking to swing trade. I do trade SPYs. I'm looking to swing trade. Ooh, I like that move. I like that move on IWM. But I don't think meme coins move based on technical analysis. I'm gonna go long here on the Russell. My stop loss is gonna be if it loses the VWAP. Guys, I'm trading futures. So I'm watching IWM, but I'm trading futures. And it looks like it's gonna stop me out. We'll see. You guys can see it here. This is futures. Okay, I like that bounce. I think we need SPY to go higher here, but this could definitely be a bear flag. Let's see if it's gonna be a bear flag or it's gonna be a move to the VWAP. I wanted to see it move into the VWAP, so because that's gonna help my trade. And I want to see Nvidia breaking the VWAP also. Okay, we're looking good now. Come on, keep going. IWM looking pretty strong so far. I'm gonna take some profits at 230. Because I can see a bunch of wicks reaction there. But I definitely like this move here on SPY. I wanted to see it going to the VWAP. Okay, looking Gucci. Nvidia right at the VWAP. I want to see it breaking it so the market can move higher. Ooh, I don't like that reaction. But I do like that we're making higher highs and higher lows. That's definitely bullish. Come on, go to VWAP SPY. IWM is holding pretty good. I do like this. Ooh, CRM looking pretty good. Anyone holding CRM with me? It's looking pretty good. If CRM move like I think it's gonna move, that swing, those contracts are gonna print so hard. Ooh, okay, I like this move. I want to see a strong break of 230. If I see a strong break of 230, the next resistance is gonna be morning high. That ugly wick at the high at the open. Let's go. Give it to me. Come on. Nice move on Nvidia. That hopefully is gonna wake up the market here. Come on, IWM. Break 230. Do it. Okay, I like that move. I don't see a reason why SPY wouldn't go to the VWAP. Okay, guys, watch out here. 500 on the Q. If you can break 500, that's definitely your entry to go higher for move to the upside. Same thing here with SPY VWAP. I don't see a reason why SPY wouldn't go higher and retest the VWAP. Okay, looking good. I like that move on the Q. Let's see if the Q can break 500 and the VWAP. That's very, very, very important. SPY is like not moving. Come on, do it. Just do it. Okay. Go. Go. I'm thinking on getting all out the minute SPY touches the VWAP and then waiting. I'm gonna wait and see if SPY is gonna break the V1 and then play the upside or a rejection here. $500 rejection on the Q. Let's see, Microsoft is going for the VWAP. Apple having trouble here, but it looks like it's flagging. I want to see IWM holding 230 as support. I don't like that reaction on IWM. Okay, we're looking better. The Q still rejecting 500 on the VWAP. And SPY's not even breaking the VWAP still. It's not even moving. Perfect music for this move on SPY. Building suspension. Are we gonna have like a huge move, like breaking like a huge candle here, breaking out of the VWAP and the 588 level, or an ugly reaction? Come on, IWN, hold 230. It's having too much problem here. Come on, move. Nvidia is moving. Apple rejecting. Microsoft doing nothing, but it's rejecting the VWAP. Nice 230 hold. What is the target for anything? What is the target for anything, guys? Okay, we're nice move there. Target, every time you are on a trade, your target is, if you're playing the upside, your target is your next resistance. Yeah, exactly. Pretty easy. That's your target. So your next resistance on IWM is morning high. We can see how it had an ugly reaction there. Let's put it here. It had an ugly reaction there, and that was yesterday high. So that's your next target. But because I'm playing it here, watching the spot, how the market is moving, my target here is a SPY touching the VWAP. So whatever happens first, either this high or either SPY touching the VWAP. I like that how Q is holding very good the VWAP and the 500 level. Okay, I'm selling one there. I'm all out. Nice little trade here. Took forever, but it was nice. So the next trade for me, it's gonna be if SPY breaks the VWAP, because yes, the Q is holding the VWAP and it's holding 500, but I can see it like faking me out here if SPY cannot break the VWAP. I don't use any DMA, honestly. I'm still a little bit red, like $20 red per account. Yeah, 20, maybe 25, 23, $22.50 down per account. Is this a bear flag here? We'll see. Yep. Look, SPY is rejecting the VWAP, and we have, if we see this 30-minute chart, it's rejecting these 30-minute highs. I do market. I do market orders. Yeah, look at that V recovery on Nvidia. It's looking like an inverse head and shoulder. Apple is still weak. We still have Microsoft and Meta not doing shit, and both looking exactly the same. The market is very, very slow. Very slow. If SPY goes down here, I think this time it's gonna go for 584. But is it gonna take it like 2 hours to do that? I really like this 500 hold here on the queue. Should we go long there? Should I? I don't know. SPY is kinda making me be very cautious here. Yeah, no. I do like it though. I like the risk to reward though. But yeah, spies. I don't know, it's making me be worried here. Okay. Yeah, I don't like that. I don't like that. Honestly, guys, the best trade for me will be just SPY at 584, either a strong bounce there or a rejection of that level, or the break of the VWAP here. I think this move to the upside and then rejection of the VWAP was a very, very good setup. Very clean, very clean. Anyone got that SPY entry here? That was so clean. I think that was the trade. Nice. Yeah, I think we could have a very choppy rest of the day. Just again, the market waiting for Nvidia earnings. People love earnings season. I do not like it because of this. Every time we have like Nvidia, Apple, maybe Microsoft, Meta, the market started being choppy. So you got lucky there. You make money on the upside and the downside. So if I see here, let's go with IWM, right? And understanding a little bit how to trade something related to the market. So what's the market? The market's been weak today, right? We have a clear downside. Yes, we had a bounce here, but it rejected the VWAP. If we see only the daily chart, we have pretty much the market SPY giving back the entire move from yesterday, right? So let's just say we want to trade IWM. What is IWM doing on the daily? On the daily, it's telling us that it's only making an inside candle, but it's definitely looking better than the SPY daily, right? SPY daily is way more weak than this daily here on IWM. So basically, IWM is telling us that it doesn't want to go lower. or at least is having trouble going lower with the market. So if I want to play, if I see the market turning around and being bullish, IWM will be one of the stocks that I will be looking to play the upside because it's holding better than SPY and the Q. But IWM would not be the one that I'll be looking to play the downside because again, it's holding better than SPY and the Q. It's still above the VWAP. The daily candle so far is looking pretty bullish. It's looking like it's just consolidating inside the previous day candle, and the previous day candle was a very strong bullish candle. So for me, if IWM closes like this today with a bullish candle, doesn't matter if it is green or red, a hammer candle is bullish. So for me, IWM will be one that I'll be looking for the next coming days to play the upside. Again, if it closes like that. That's why I took IWM to the upside and not SPY and the Q. But I was looking at SPY and the Q to play IWM because IWM was holding way better than the other two. Do I use IWM? What? From open? I don't trade the open. That's why sometimes I start the stream a little bit late because I do not trade the first, I will say, 15-20 minutes of the market open. I like kind of give it a time to really tell me what's gonna be the trend for the day. And still, most of the time I have red. My first trade is red. I don't know why, but yeah. I will say like 70% of my days, my first trade is red. I'm gonna give it time till 11:30, like 15 more minutes, to see if SPY is gonna go down here to 584 or if it's gonna break the VWAP, because those are the two possible trades that I'm looking for. If it doesn't happen on the stream, I'm gonna do it in the afternoon or later. I wake up at 7:30 because I need to post my charts and my watch list on my Discord. If it wasn't because of that, I will just wake up and just start trading right away, not even chart anything. I don't know, I'm kind of like, again, I've been doing this for so long that I don't really need to do that. Like, I don't really need more, especially doing futures, because with futures it's just mostly scalping, so I don't need to prepare much, because I consider myself a very good technical trader. So, and I can trade to either side, even against the trend, which I don't recommend it, but it gets to a point that is like you can make money like no matter what, even on a choppy market. Some people love choppy markets. I hate it because I'm the type, because I'm still having a little bit of trouble holding my futures trade for longer, because I'm so used to it to swing trade with options that I'm having a little bit of trouble calculating that with futures, because my whole idea of trading is buying at the top if I'm playing the downside, or buying at the bottom and then if I'm playing the upside, and then just holding for the entire move that it's in I think it's gonna do, which is most of the time is to the next big resistance. So yeah, I'm having a little bit of trouble being a little faster. Like I think I need to be a little bit faster with my futures trades, and maybe go higher in size, but faster, being like in and out. But I do not like it. I don't like doing that. I prefer to just go with smaller size, but catching big move. That's, I don't know. That's how I like to trade. But yeah, I'm still kind of getting used to trading futures on that. I will say, yeah, on that way. But I love trading futures. Like right now, I like more trading futures than options. Like, since I started trading futures, I don't see a reason why you want to scalp or day trade options, honestly. No, I don't trade futures on my personal account. I don't have a personal account on futures. Only options. I don't think I'll feel comfortable trading like 20 contracts, because I'm trading one contract per account and I have 20 accounts here, so I don't think I'll be comfortable trading 20 contracts on my personal account, because that's a huge size. I've been trading futures for, I think now, for a little bit over a year. Yeah, in September last year, it was the first time, like, not the first time, but it was the time that I really started to trade futures. And it's funny because whenever, like, I don't really watch futures traders, um because they confuse me so much with so many very complicated concepts, concepts, that I don't know why they complicate it so much, and they call it like so weird everything, when it's basically support and resistance and reading the candlesticks. And but I found it super easy trading futures just like that, watching SPY in the queue. But somebody that trades future, that's been trading future for a long time and doesn't trade anything else, find it extremely confusing the way I trade futures, because I do not use futures levels. But I don't know. I find it very funny whenever I see kids, like 20-year-old kids, 19, 18-year-old kids, talking about, yeah, fair value gap, the turtle soup, the unicorn. They have so many weird concepts, and they make it so confusing. Like, I watch those videos sometimes, and I'm just like, how? I don't understand it. Like, how is this supposed to be, like, how? No, the thing that I don't understand in is that they have so many views just by putting on their title ICT. It's funny. the unicorn, I don't know, it's another thing that they have, ICT have. I don't use futures, guys. I don't use futures levels. I don't use futures. I trade futures based off of SPY and the Q charts. Just what you guys see me doing here. That's what I do every single day. Oh yeah, the order flow videos. Honestly, it makes me... I don't watch those videos because I tried it and I get so bored. It's too technical, too complicated. I honestly don't really watch much trading videos anymore. There is too much info, too many things swearing that their trade or the trading style is the best. I don't know, I get bored watching those videos. I like watching Rolling Mango and crime stuff on YouTube. And people traveling to Korea. That's my thing lately. So if I don't use futures level, why would I think it's important? Like, I cannot recommend you to do something that I don't do, because for me it's not important. I love Korean food. I love Korean barbecue. When I lived in LA, I used to go like at least 2 times per week to Korean town to eat barbecue. Korean barbecue. I kind of missed it. Here in Miami, there's not many like good Korean courts or restaurant. The ones that I know, they're pretty fancy for no reason. They're pretty expensive for a barbecue that you cook. Why did I move to Miami? Honestly, because Miami, I think, is the only place in the States that it makes me feel closer to home. In Miami, I only speak English with you guys. I speak Spanish like 24/7. There's a lot of Venezuelans here. I have family here. My best friends live here. There's a bunch of Venezuelan restaurants. So I don't, and it's like it's like 3 hours flight from Venezuela. So my family comes here all the time and I can go there whenever I want also. I met Desi like a year ago here in Miami. Yeah, we met. We had lunch together. But he moved back to Naples. also I don't like living in cold weather. I lived in Illinois, in a small town in Illinois for 1 year, and I couldn't wait to get out of there. The most popular food is arepa, definitely. I eat arepas pretty much every single day. Yeah, so I finished high school in Venezuela when I was 15. And then my dad was, okay, you're too young to go to college. Just go and take a gap year and learn another language, right? So I got into a foreign exchange program, and so my family received a girl from Belgium, and I went to a small town in Illinois, and I did my senior year there. It was good only to learn English, nothing else. It was extremely cold, extremely boring. I was desperate to get out of there. I was 16. No, I didn't skip anything. It's just like in Venezuela, it's 1 year less than States, but also I entered school very young. Yeah. Yeah, most of the people back home, finish school around 17. I was 15, and yeah, 15. But I turned 60 right after, so I was almost 16. Funny that you ask that. Like, school work here it is completely different. I did not like it, but I think it was way better than back home. The thing is, like, back home, I did not we didn't have much homework. Here, you have, I was like, why do I have to do so much homework if I already finished high school? Like, I was like, I do not want to do this. But I think it's way better because that way I didn't need to study for test. That way I will do my homework crying because I didn't want to do it, but I didn't need to study for test or any exam. Back home, we didn't have much homework, but I had to memorize so many things for every single one of our tests. So I think here it's better. I think you learn more. Back home, I think I memorized more stuff. So yeah, I think it's better, like, having more homework, and it keeps you busy during the day. But it was definitely easier. Like, it was funny because I don't remember what math class, but the funny thing was that at the beginning, obviously, I couldn't understand math in English, but I was having like 197 on exams. And they were like, how do you do that? And I was like, it's just numbers. Numbers is pretty much the same everywhere. And back home, I was not allowed to use calculator. Here, I found it funny that the teacher will explain you how to use the freaking calculator. So I thought it was extremely easy. And also tests here, you don't need to write too much. It's just selection. You select ABC or ABC 1, 2, 3, 4. Which one is the best answer, and that's it. So I thought it was very easy. Here, I thought it was extremely easy. Back home, I needed to figure it out for everything. We figured it out for everything. Here, the professor explained you pretty much everything, especially math. I mean, my teachers would not explain me how to use a calculator. But again, I think it was easier to pass test here. But I like it more the way that you guys study here. Because I don't think going to school should be difficult. It should be all about teaching you and you learning, not memorizing and making it difficult for you to pass a test. Yeah, multiple choices. That was extreme. I thought that was extremely easy. Back home, we need to, on pretty much on every single test, we needed to explain and make a big essay for everything. What was college? College? It was okay. I wasn't like good or bad student on anything. Like, I wasn't great, but I wasn't bad either on school and college. The thing is, like, I think my problem was that I don't know, I didn't like to be on a classroom for hours. I was more of a active kid. I love sports and doing things, so I would get bored in classes and start talking. Or asking for permission to go to a bathroom and then just walk around for like hours. Or using all my 6 days. I was sick. I used all my sick days when I was studying here in the States. In fact, I think I used more. I think I had like 11 sick days and I used like 15. At the end, they were like, come on, Andrea, we know you are a foreign exchange student, but you still need to come to classes. But it was fun. It's just that I didn't like the town where I was at because it was too cold, it was too small, too boring, not much to do. But I had a good time. At least I learned English. I spoke English way better than I do right now because I've been living here for like 8 years and I don't speak English here, so I kind of feel like I completely forgot how to do it. But it was a good experience. I think I might need a American boyfriend, but I like Latinos. I might need it just to practice my English. You would like to apply? Okay, guys, the market's not doing anything, and I'm hungry, and I need to go and work out. So I'll see you guys mañana. Watch out for these freaking 584 support here on the SPY and the VWAP here. Maybe if it breaks the VWAP, we're going higher. 500 here on the Q, very important level. But to play this one, I would like to see SPY being more bullish. But yeah, I'm leaving and see all. I'm still a little bit red, like $20 down on each account. Yeah, $23 down. So yeah, I'll take one more trade later today. This is with 20 Apex. I'm gonna try to trade today with Tradeify and my funded futures. And I'll see you guys mañana. Thank you for being here. Oh, and remember to like the video. Bye.